Hi students, good morning everyone. In previous class, we have already discussed about the world of animals. Dear students, in previous class, we have discussed small ears animals and big ears animals. And dear students, I hope all of you know about small ears animals, at the same time big ears animals. Which animals have big ears and which animals have small ears? All of you know about that. In this class, we have discussed about for animals hair, fur and feather. Okay, dear children, some animals have thick hair and some animals have fur and some animals have feather. Okay, so these are also one of the main parts of that particular animals. Okay, every animal have, according to their body nature, they have hairs, they have thick hairs and fur and also feather. Okay, and students, in cold areas, so many animals live in cold regions or cold areas. So here, some animals have to keep their body themselves warm because that particular area is very cold. So that's why we call that particular area is cold region or cold area. So in that particular area, which animals have life or in that area? So like elk, sheep and mountain goat and polar bear. So these animals have thick fur because of they are protect from the cold atmosphere or cold weather. Okay, so that's why these animals have thick fur. So that thick fur should be protect themselves. Means like these animals, polar bear, mountain goat, and yaks, sheep. Okay, so these animals have thick fur because of the protect from the cold wind or cold weather. Okay, and in very hot area, some animals have less hair because basically in that particular area is very hot. For example, in Rajasthan, so in that state we should see camel. Okay, so all of you observe the camel. So that camel should be have less hair because basically that particular area is very hot. So that's why the camel have less hair because of the breeding purpose. Okay, so in case that the camel have a thick hair, so that is not satisfied for that particular animal for breathing or breathe easily. They can't breathe easily. Okay, so that's why that particular area, so many hot areas, hot regions, animals are there. So deer, a zebra and tiger and best example camel. So these animals have less hair because of breathing purpose. Okay, and dear children, and some animals have okay, I have already told a thick fur. At the same time, some animals have look bigger. Okay, a thick fur with big body. For example, elephant. Okay, and giraffe. Okay, so these are very big. At the same time, some animals have feathers. Best example, porcupine. Okay, so that particular animal looking small, but at the same time, when that animal, okay, fight fight together for other animal, they spreading their feathers or needle shaped feather. So that's why that animal should be protect themselves for other animal. Okay, and dear children, all of you already know about the so many animals. Okay, and they are mainly protect themselves from the wind or rain and hot and cold. So this is very important for any kind of animal. Okay, and not only hair, fur, and feather. Okay, and some animals have they give a birth baby, and some animals have lay eggs their for their nature. Okay, mammals like human beings, okay, and elephant, okay, and dog, cat. So these are called mammals because that those animals give birth a baby. Okay, and some animals like hen and crow, okay, and lizard. So these are laying eggs for giving birth to another baby. Okay, so that's why the animals have and also bird give birth to newborn babies. Okay, and all of you know about we are humans. Okay, the mothers are giving birth to new baby, and some animals like a tiger and a lion and elephant, a cow. So these are all mammals because they are giving new birth. Okay, and for example, like birds, crow, okay, and peacock. So these are all laying eggs for giving new one baby, and lizard also lay eggs for giving new birth to the baby. Okay, student. So in this class we have discussed about the animals for hair, fur, and feather. So these are all very important for animals' life. Okay, because they are protect themselves for using these hair, fur, and feather. Okay. And also we should discuss for animals and birds to give babies to birth. Okay, dear children, let us stop here and continue next class. Okay, until then, bye. Thank you.